Okay, you guys, so the first step that we are going to do is crush up some Cheeto Puffs. At a time. Cheeto dust. I feel like this sticks better onto whatever you're trying to fry when it's super crumbly like this. I'm gonna dump it into a bowl. I'm mixing hot Cheeto Puffs with the regular hot Cheetos.
We're gonna crack some eggs next. Maybe 2 eggs.
Here I have flour, black pepper, salt, some paprika. So the station is flour dipped into the egg and then the hot Cheeto mix, and then we're gonna freeze it. So like this. Let's see if I can get everything. Can't get everything in the camera. Okay, I'll do one for an example, and then I'm gonna do the rest off camera. So we're gonna just get it all covered. Shake off the excess. Do the egg mixture. I like to squeeze it into the cheese. There you go. And then we're gonna put it on a plate and put it in the freezer for at least an hour before frying. Hi you guys! I'm so excited. This is hot. It just came out of the oven. Where do I start? Let's see. I have here hot Cheeto mozzarella sticks and hot Cheeto chicken on the side right here. And I have some dipping sauces right here. This was my first attempt on ever making this, so I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. I haven't ate all day. I've been prepping and getting the setting all put together. So let's try a mozzarella stick first because that came out first. The chicken is gonna be hot. Look at this mozzarella hot Cheeto sticks. Let's try it without sauce. Oh my god. That is delicious. Wow. Wow, this is freaking delicious. Oh my god. Let's try some chicken. I have a little clip of how I made these, and I'll put them somewhere in this video. But did the same thing with the chicken too. Let's see, that's hot. That. Oh. Perfect. Wow. My son is going to be so excited for dinner. I mix regular hot Cheetos and the hot Cheeto puffs. Wow. I can't stop saying wow. Oh my god. I fried the cheese I baked the chicken, sprayed it with a little bit of olive oil. A few of the cheese and burst it. Let's see if I can get a good cheese pull. Let's try 2. Oh, not that good. Trying to get a good thumbnail. Since that burst it, that's probably why I didn't have a good pull. Dispersed it too. Which one? Which one? How about this one? Let's try 2. Ooh. Ooh. Mm. Oh my god. I gotta save some cheese for my kids. Well, my son and then my husband. After this, I have to help my husband. He's giving our dog a bath right now. And you could really taste the hot Cheetos, because when I bread them, I smush the hot Cheeto crumbs into the cheese and chicken. My daughter's sleeping in her swing. So you know me, nowadays I'm always in a bun and no makeup. I'm always on the go, go, go. I'm gonna pay for this in the gym. Oh, I bit into this one. My poor hubby, he's sick. I made a juice for him this morning, and I added tons of ginger. It's supposed to help with the cold. I know it helped me because I was feeling a little sick and I get all worried because I can't take medicine because I'm breastfeeding. Excuse me. Excuse me. So I made myself ginger juice with like apples, carrots, kale, and other things. And I swear, I was better the next day. Oh, it's getting cold. Yum. Oh, here comes my son. Do you want to try some on the camera for them?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. He went to go get some water for me.
Here's your cookie.
Okay. Okay. Come sit down. I'm gonna give you a piece of the cheese, the mozzarella stick. Okay. Try it. How is it? Is it good or is it super good?
Super good.
Yeah? You want to try a piece of the chicken? Here, chase it down with the hot Cheeto. That's Angelo. Yeah, this is for you too, for your dinner.
Thanks.
We're gonna have a salad with that. You want to try a piece of chicken?
Mm-hmm.
Why you gotta be so shy? Jeez, as soon as he's on camera, he's like, oh, a deer in headlights. Ooh.
Is it hot?
A little bit, excuse me. See that? And then I'm gonna put in a little sauce. Excuse me. Here, try that.
Thank you.
You like that? Good, huh? I impress myself sometimes. The cheese is super good. I love it.
It's super stringy.
Mm-hmm. It's string cheese. Have some Cheetos.
Thanks.
What are you about to do?
Go outside.
Okay, bye.
Bye. I'm taking this. Gracias.
Take a bite. That one's all bursted. Take it. Okay.
Bye.
Come back. Come inside before it gets dark.
Okay.
Very greasy. Okay, so there's 3 left. I'm gonna save 1 for my son. He already took 1, and then 2 for my husband. What is this? And then all this chickens. I think I'm gonna take a couple more bites. Not dry at all. Super juicy. I bought a pack of chicken breasts and sliced them into 3 of each breast. Season them with seasoning, salt, pepper, and then the flour has seasoning too, and then I roll into the flour, and then to the egg, and then to the hot Cheetos. And then for the mozzarella sticks, I double, how do you call it? Double batter. I did it twice before putting it into the hot Cheetos. I gotta hurry this up. I have to go help with puppy. Alright, you guys. I will see you guys next time. I want to do a hot Cheetos series. So the next video, comment down below if you would like for me to try out whatever you want me to try that's battered or dipped or whatever you want to call it in hot Cheetos. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you know when your girl has a new video. And I'm sorry, I keep changing my name. I don't know what name to stick with yet, but hopefully I find one that I'm really comfortable with. So until next time, bye guys, bye.